The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic FAQ. Is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic safe? Gluconite is an all-natural formula that contains only ingredients that are completely safe. It is manufactured here in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that follows the GMP guidelines. The ingredients we use are of the highest possible standard and tested for highest purity and potency. Will the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic really work for me? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is proven to support healthy weight loss, maintain healthy digestion and energy levels. It's a powerful and unique blend that is helping thousands of men and women in many different countries. It makes no difference if you're a man or a woman, if you're 60 or 30 years of age. You can get impressive results by taking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic daily, ideally for 3 to 6 months. You could notice the difference in a few short days from day, or in a week fuse. Maybe it'll take a month or 2 to notice the impressive results you'll dream of by taking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic each day. Either way, we believe you'll experience great results from the formula thanks to its unique combination of powerful nutrients. What if Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic doesn't work for me? We're very confident that you'll benefit from the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. However, if the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is less than satisfying for you, feel free to contact us directly to request a prompt refund of your purchase. No supplement or medication has a 100% success rate, and even if the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes close, we understand that may be the case for a very small percentage of our consumers. I know that, and so do you. You are fully covered by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. To get started, just click below now. How many bottles of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic should I order? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic's ingredients will benefit you more after several months of working through the body. This is why we recommend you to get started with the 3 or 6 month packages. Sure, you can order a 30-day supply today, and you'll be so convinced by how great you feel in a week or 2, that you'll be likely to order more. But remember, stock is selling out very fast and ingredients are becoming harder to source. We may run out of stock or increase the price as soon as tomorrow. That's why taking advantage of our 3 or 6 bottle deals below is the best choice for you. How fast will I receive my order? Orders are processed and shipped within 2-3 days and should arrive in 5-7 days if you're in the US, or 10-12 days if you're outside the US, depending on customs. Is this a one-time payment or will I be rebilled? All of the options below are one-time charges. You'll never be billed without being notified very clearly. What do I do now? Get started with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic by clicking on your best option below. Enter your details on the next page to complete your order. Then you can relax as our friendly team processes your order, packs it up and sends it to your doorstep in a few short days. It's time to get started. To assist you, I have included link to the official website in the video description.